So what's up YouTube, welcome to my channel Complete Tech Review, and welcome to another walk around of the TVS XL 100. So there are two variants. If you can see, this is the XL Heavy Duty and then the XL Comfort. So this is a workforce moped, and we have all grown in our teenage by looking at these bikes, especially these mopeds. So what's there in this bike and what is the features which has been offered, that is what we are going to check in this walk around. So let's quickly see what are the features that the TVS XL BS6 has to offer. So firstly, the engine for both the vehicles is the same, which is the 99.7cc engine, and this one delivers around 4.4 PS of power. The torque is 6.7 Nm. So the Comfort comes with this long telescopic suspension with no fork gaiters, but the Heavy Duty comes with the fork gaiters. The suspension is slightly different, and you get to see the LED DRLs, which is integrated in this nice front cowl. So that is the Comfort, which reads more on the sporty side, but the Heavy Duty doesn't have any front cowl. So from the instrumentation console, both have the same layout where you have a complete analog unit. The indicators are all analog, so you have a fuel indicator, a turn-by-turn indicator, a high beam, an engine service reminder, and also there is a charging socket. So this is also something which is a rarity to see it in this segment, and it is on the tighter side. So this is a USB port, so it's good to see that in this segment it's been offered. This also comes with the combi braking system. If you see this mechanism, it has two wires, and by engaging this you get to see that both the front and the rear brakes are engaged if you are engaging the rear brake, so thereby enhancing the overall safety and the stopping power. So the best thing about this is that this now moped comes with an electric start, and TVS claims to be that this is called as iTouch start. So that is a completely new revolution which they bought in the moped segment. And also they are offering this single switch off engine kill and engine switch on start motor. So I'll just show you how it works. So just press this, but for this you need to press the brake and then engage the start. So let me see whether it starts. So as you can see, it started. That is a very nice feature to see in a moped, and that too in a 100cc motor. So rest of the bike all is the same. The highlight would be the engine. This is a fairly new engine, which is a BS6 engine. The catalytic converter is integrated, and the exhaust. Heavy Duty comes with this rather big seat and a comfortable seat. So basically this rear seat can be removed and can be used for luggage carrying. So these mopeds are more tuned towards luggage carrying and load bearing. Because of that, the torque also is on the heavier side. So this is the side profile of the Comfort and the rear's profile. So for the Comfort, you also see that the rear shock absorbers have been changed. So these are the adjustable ones, and the Heavy Duty also gets more heavy duty suspension. But apart from that, the bikes are more or less the same. The seating of the Heavy Duty is little more wider and also a little more tall, but for the Comfort it is more on the sleeker side, and also it gets this rear seat cushioning. There is a nice glove box which is integrated below the seat, which is good to see and also good to have. The side stand indicator for both the vehicles. It gets a plastic or a fiber chain cover. So the tank is around 4 liters and with a mileage claims of around 65 to 70, this one has a very good tank range. Station panel looks like. So the indicators are the flexible ones, so these are a good thing because this would not break immediately once on impact. So these mopeds are mainly catered for the rural India or the workforce of India. These are mainly catered from do-it-all kind of bikes, mainly focused on mileage, comfort, and also low maintenance. So these are the three more main priorities in which these mopeds are being manufactured. So this is the front profile with the headlamp cowl, and this is how it looks like. So the key is like this, a nice and a compact key. So let's see how this luggage cowl looks like. So this is the luggage cowl, a small mobile. I hope you enjoyed the walk around shoot. If you do so, please like and subscribe to my channel. This is Kevin signing off, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.